Welcome to Satish Speaks channel, and this is your daily one stock video. In this video, I'm going to explain you about the 7 golden rules from Mr. Vijay Kedia, the legendary investor in Indian stock market. This man needs no introduction. In 1990, he started his value investing with only 1 lakh of capital, 1 lakh, and today he is worth 650 crore. He has the unique expertise of identifying the unknown smaller companies, and today all these companies are mid cap and large cap. How about converting from 1 lakh to 650 crores? Enormous journey. And these are the 7 golden rules from the man himself. The first golden rule: knowledge. If you want to become a doctor, you got to spend 5 years in MBBS graduation. If you want to become an engineer, you need to spend 4 years in engineering graduation. But if you want to become a stock trading professional, the next day you will jump into the stock trading. How many of the traders or the investors spend their money, time, energy in learning about the stock market? So knowledge is extremely critical if you want to be a successful trader or value investor. Rule number 2. He gives a comparison between a smoker and a trader. He quotes that a smoker may die in 10 years' time, but a trader can die the next day. Yes, the stock market is a high risk profession. It's a very risky profession. So apply the stop loss for every trade you do. And there are a lot of examples. There are stocks like S Bank, DHFL, Suzlon, the many more stocks. They have nosedived. So it's like a seat belt to a car. Whenever you switch on the ignition, put your seat belt. So whenever you sit in front of trading, put the stop loss. And he give importance. This is the third rule. He give importance to these 3 attributes: knowledge, courage, and patience. The temperament, what you hold when the price of the stock goes down. You might or might not make money in the stipulated time you foresee. You might be expecting the stock to go up in 15 days, 30 days, 6 months, but if did not go up, if it is a high conviction idea, hold on to it, be patient. He advises the temperament. So courage you should have to pick up and put your money into it and be patiently wait for the money to get matured. That means the stock prices to go up. Number 4, if you are a beginner, don't jump into trading or leveraging. Trading and leveraging are full-time profession. Unless and until you have that skill set, the complete knowledge of know how it is actually working it out. Experiment your money with cash. Do all your strategies in cash, and if your strategies are working and you are making profit, then probably you can come to this place. This is a very high risk place. Number 5, if you are an investor, put your money into high quality management company. What is high quality management company? The leadership of the company, the product, the competitiveness they have in this industry, everything. That company should be a high quality company. You should not be having a heart attack when the share price is going down. If it is a high quality company, even if it is goes down for some other reason, it will eventually come up because the quality of the company is good, so that their products, so that their stock prices definitely. Number 6, never invest with the borrowed money. If you borrow money and trade or invest, you will have a pressure to make more profit in a shorter turnaround time. If the profit did not come out, you will have additional pressure in order to return that money. Never do that. Never invest. You invest or do trading with the surplus what you have for yourself. And finally, rule number 7, give 5 year of time frame when it comes as an investment. Do not expect the stock price to go up spontaneously. You identify a company, a good company. You allow the company to grow. If you want really a multi-bagger stock or something, you patiently wait for minimum for a period of 5 years, allow the company to grow, then take home 50 or 500 times of the prices. So these are the 7 lessons from the legendary investor, Mr. Vijay Kedia. And if you found this information useful, please share it with your friends, like it, and comment it. And if you need any recommendation on portfolio management, mutual fund, or stock market, I am Satish, I'm financial consultant. My contact details are in the description. So connect with me. I'll see you with another interesting video. Again, thank you very much.